Hi. Today we're going to tell you how to use SEO to grow your elderly home care services. SEO is crucial in competitive markets like elderly home care. There are many businesses just like yours, so you must do what you can to stand out. Let's get started. Generating leads. Put simply, lead generation is the process of getting more clients through online channels. Organizations deploy lead generation strategies differently, but SEO is one of the most cost-effective ways of doing this. With SEO, you reach a large number of people at once, and you can get people to sign up directly through your website. Targeting industry keywords. To be among the top results in a search page, you need to do keyword research. Pick the best words or phrases to focus on. If you are a care service that specializes in assisting dementia patients, for example, you should forego trying to rank for general services. Diligence in picking keywords will help you get better rankings. Focusing on local SEO. If you are an elderly home care service, you are providing a community-based service. Therefore, it makes sense to appeal to families in your area. Your priority for search optimization should be boosting awareness in people from your area. Improving your local SEO should be easy if you have all the details of your business up and online. Otherwise, hiring a specialist would help. Families that are looking for elderly care services are looking for things beyond expert medical care. They want to be sure that their loved ones get the treatment they need and deserve. If you can communicate this to your possible clients, you are taking a step in the right direction. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.